You know that feeling when you try to clean up pet hair or dust and your vacuum just can't keep up? I've spent the last couple of weeks testing the top 5 cordless stick vacuums on the market so you don't have to waste your money. I've used each one in real homes, on carpets, hardwood, and even tricky corners, and I'm sharing exactly what worked and what didn't. Product number 1, Aliexpress Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. When I first picked up the Aliexpress, I was impressed by how solid it felt without being heavy. The gold finish looks sleek and the LED touchscreen feels surprisingly intuitive. Switching modes is effortless. Using it on my hardwood floors, I noticed the 50 kPa suction easily lifted dust and crumbs, and even my dog's long hair came up without tangling. The self-standing feature is a lifesaver. I could pause to answer the door without leaning it awkwardly. Switching to handheld mode was seamless, and all the attachments from the crevice tool to the pet brush clicked on perfectly. My favorite part was the auto-clean boost when shutting off. It kept the brush and airways clear. If you have pets or a large home, this vacuum is excellent. For smaller apartments, it's a bit overkill, but worth it if you love convenience. Product number 2, X100 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The X100 felt solid in my hands and had a really nice balance. It didn't feel top-heavy like some stick vacuums. The V-shaped anti-tangle brush is the standout feature here. When I ran it over my rug, it sucked up a ton of hair with 0 clogs. The LED touchscreen made monitoring battery life and suction effortless, and I appreciated the full 70-minute runtime. It really got my whole house done in one go. The self-standing design worked well for short breaks while cleaning the living room. One thing to note, I made sure to use the original adapter and it charged perfectly in just a few hours. If you've got a medium to large home and pets, this one's ideal. For smaller spaces, it might be a bit bulky, but for thorough, uninterrupted cleaning, it's impressive. Product number 3, Aliexpress LVAC 200 Cordless Vacuum. Holding the Aliexpress, I immediately noticed how light it was. It didn't feel cumbersome at all, which made quick cleanups around the kitchen or stairs easy. The tangle-resistant roller actually works. The hair from my cats didn't wrap around the brush like other vacuums I've tried. It's versatile too. The 2-in-1 crevice and pet tools handled corners, sofas, and bed frames without a problem. Emptying the dust bin was simple, and the washable filters make maintenance painless. I ran it for about 50 minutes and it never lost power on hardwood and medium-pile carpets. This is perfect if you want something lightweight, efficient, and easy to manage for pet owners or allergy sufferers. It's not the most high-powered vacuum, but if portability and simple maintenance matter to you, this one's a solid choice. Product number 4, Bissell PowerClean 4173. The Bissell PowerClean surprised me. At first glance, it's smaller, but it feels well-built and sturdy. I love the tangle-free brush roll. It really lives up to its promise. My dog's hair didn't get wrapped around once. The self-standing feature is handy for quick pauses, and the integrated crevice and fur finder tools worked wonders for furniture corners and upholstery. The 200W motor isn't as strong as some of the other vacuums I tested, but for the price, it does a great job on pet hair and daily messes. Runtime is around 40 minutes on low mode, which covers small to medium spaces. If you're on a budget but still want a reliable cordless vacuum that handles pets and general cleaning, this is the one to grab. It won't replace a heavy-duty upright, but it's perfect for easy daily cleaning. Product number 5, Dyson V8 Plus. The Dyson V8 Plus feels instantly premium when you hold it. It's lightweight but solid, and the motor bar head is amazing for deep carpet cleaning. I tested it on both hardwood and rugs, and it picked up everything, including stubborn pet hair, with the hair screw tool easily detangling long strands. Switching to handheld mode was quick, and the extra attachments make cleaning high shelves, stairs, and car interiors painless. Battery life is about 40 minutes on standard mode, and it has a max mode for tough spots. The filtration is excellent. I noticed less dust in the air while vacuuming. This is the one to get if you want a reliable, versatile vacuum that lasts and feels like it could handle anything. It's pricier, but the performance justifies it. That's a wrap on the 5 best cordless stick vacuums I've tested. Whether you need something lightweight, pet-friendly, or heavy-duty, there's an option here for you. Check the links in the description to see current prices and get the one that fits your home best.